What does Montreal and New Orleans have in common? Answer, we have about 8 inches of snow, or 20 centimeters of accumulation on the ground. Yep. By the way, my name is Norm Leo, I'm an atmospheric scientist, and I give memorable presentations on climate change. First, Montreal, Montréal, and New Orleans, Nouvelle-Orléans, share the French connection. But this time we're sharing the same weather. This is happening because the polar vortex, which is this stable, spinning cold air around the North Pole, well, is destabilizing. It's wobbling. It's making like these arms or tongues, you could say, and shooting down this cold air. And it's quite exceptional that it's been sending cold air that further south. Alors courage, mes amis de la Nouvelle-Orléans. Have fun and make snowballs and snowmen while you're at it. And follow for more.